Who among the following Indian revolutionaries conceived an armed insurrection against the British in cooperation with Germany? Right answer is option B, Bagha Jatin. Which of the following district is on the international border of India? Right answer is option D, Karimganj. Friends, Karimganj is a town in the Karimganj district of the Indian state of Assam. Karimganj town is located on the northern fringe of the district adjoining Bangladesh, flanked on two sides by the Kushiara River and Longai River. Karimganj town is located just on the Bangladesh border with the river Kushiara flowing in between. In 1983, Karimganj became a district of Assam. Which is the longest latitude on the globe? Right answer is option C, equator. Friends, the equator is the longest line of latitude on the globe. It is an imaginary line located at 0 degrees latitude, halfway between the north and south poles. It is a circle of latitude that divides Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. What was the total number of women members in the Indian Constituent Assembly? Right answer is option B, 15. Friends, Constituent Assembly that framed the Constitution of India had 389 representatives, including 15 women. It was constituted in 1946 and its first meeting was held on 9th December 1946. After partition, the Constituent Assembly of India had 299 representatives. This included 229 members from province and 70 from princely states. Which of the following soils of India is most suitable for cotton cultivation? Right answer is option C, black soil. Who was the Governor General of Bengal when the permanent settlement was introduced there in 1793? Right answer is option D, Cornwallis. Friends, permanent settlement is also known as Permanent Settlement of Bengal, was an agreement between the British East India Company and the landlords of Bengal to fix the land revenue. Land revenue was the major source of income for the British in India. Permanent settlement was one such land revenue system. It was first introduced in Bengal and Bihar, and later it was introduced in Madras and Varanasi. This system was also known as the Jamindari system. What was the duration in the making of the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option D, 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Friends, Constitution was completed in the year 1949 on the 26th of November by the Constituent Assembly. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to draft and finalize the Constitution of India. The very first meeting of the Indian Constituent Assembly took place in the year 1946 on the 9th of December. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Indo-Tibetan Border Police by the central government? Right answer is option A, Rahul Rasgotra. Friends, Rahul Rasgotra is a 1989 batch IPS officer of Manipur cadre. Friends, about ITBP established year 24 October 1962 and headquarters is New Delhi. Headquarters of UNESCO are located at blank. Right answer is option D, Paris. Friends, UNESCO, it stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It was formed on 16th November 1945. Its headquarters are in Paris, France. Currently, UNESCO has 193 members. Present Director General is Audrey Azoulay, and India was the founding member of UNESCO. The Gandhi-Irvin Pact was associated to which of the following movements of India? Right answer is option D, civil disobedience. Friends, the Gandhi-Irvin Pact was signed by Mahatma Gandhi and Lord Irwin on 5th March 1931, arranged before the Second Round Table Conference in London. As per Gandhi-Irwin Pact, Gandhiji discontinued the civil disobedience movement and agreed to attend the Second Round Table Conference. What is the title of the autobiography written by Indian boxer AMC Mary Kom? Right answer is option C, Unbreakable. Friends, Indian boxer AMC Mary Kom is belonging to the northeast state of Manipur. She is the first Indian female boxer to win gold at the 2018 Commonwealth Games. Boxer Mary Kom's autobiography Unbreakable was unveiled on 9 December 2013 by Bollywood actor Amitabh Bachchan. राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान was launched in which year? Right answer is option A, 2009. Yakshagana folk dance is associated to which Indian state? Right answer is option C, Karnataka. Who has become the first woman chairman and CEO of Railway Board? Right answer is option A, Jaya Verma Sinha. Friends, let's know about Indian Railways. Establishment year is 16 April 1853. Headquarters is New Delhi, and present railway minister is Ashwini Vaishnaw. Which one of the following was the capital of the Kingdom of Kosala? Right answer is option D, Shravasti. Friends, Kosala Kingdom, the Mahajanpada of Kosala was bounded on the west of the river Gomti. To its east flowed the river Sadanira, which separated it from the Videha Janpad. Towards the north, it skirted the Nepal hills, while the river Syandika defined its southern boundary. Which of the following is a tributary of river Brahmaputra? Right answer is option C, Manas. Friends, the Manas river is the right bank tributary of the Brahmaputra river. It is a trans-boundary river in the Himalayan foothills between southern Bhutan and India. Royal Manas National Park of Bhutan and the Manas Wildlife Sanctuary are located in the Manas River Valley. The Manas River flows through Bhutan and Assam in India, and before it joins the right bank of the Brahmaputra River. With which game is the word deuce associated? Right answer is option B, tennis and badminton. Who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? Right answer is option A, Badruddin Tayyab ji. Friends, Badruddin Tayyab was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress and third president of Indian National Congress in 1887. W.C. Banerjee is the first president of INC in 1885. Dadabhai Naoroji was the second president of INC in 1886. In 1888, George Yule was the first foreigner to be the president of Congress. Annie Besant was the first woman president of INC. Sarojini Naidu was the first Indian woman Indian president of INC. Which Gupta ruler is known as the Napoleon of India? Right answer is option B, Samudragupta. Which city is called as Silicon Valley of India? Right answer is option A, Bengaluru. Friends, Silicon Valley of India is the nickname of Bengaluru. It is called so because Bengaluru is grown as a hub for the semiconductor industry. Bengaluru is located in Karnataka. Bengaluru is the center of the IT industry in India, and Bengaluru is situated on Deccan Plateau.